Hey, Larie here. Welcome back. And if you're new here, please remember to subscribe. In today's vlog, we are going to be refreshing my room. The duvet on my bed has got to go. She's getting a little dusty. I'm tired of looking at her. So we're going to switch that out. I also have to do a bit of cleaning as my family and I are preparing for a vacation to Detroit. I always like to have a tidy home when I return from a trip. So I will be doing a bit of cleaning around the house just to tighten everything up before we go. I'm also prepping for international travel as we will be vacationing in Europe, and I'm so pumped. We're headed to Italy and France. So I'm still locking in the details for that. Of course, I will keep you guys posted and share all of that information on the resources and things you can get into if you decide to take a trip there. Now let's tackle this kitchen. It's not as bad as it usually looks. Thank you, Munchie. Bye-bye. It's time for a dinner break. I'm gonna grab a bite to eat, and I just have vacuuming left. I did a ton of cleaning yesterday. I cleaned for hours yesterday. All of my laundry is pretty much done, with the exception of stuff that we've worn in the last couple days. Crunch away, babe. That's hubby over there crunching. He's going in. I don't blame him because I'm starving too. So we're having Chinese tonight because mommy's been cleaning. They were out. So we're having some tofu, veggie fried rice. Let me grab a bite and then we're gonna continue our cleaning. So I've cleaned and refreshed our bedroom. It looks like a magazine. It's popping up there. I put our linen duvet back on. It's so pretty, I love it. I can't believe I waited so long. I meant to change it about a month ago, but I've been just swapping out and we're keeping the same one. And next I want to do some vacuuming and finish up this travel prep, folding the rest of the clothes down there, washing my last few loads. I will see you guys in a bit. Wiped out. I am seriously wiped out. It's actually time for me to start my pre-pack, organizing things, and I'm really out of gas. It's after 9 o'clock and I really just want to chill out. But I must push on. I must push on because I don't want to pack last minute and have a ton of stuff to do since I have to pack for the kids and myself. And I'm thinking about taking some photo equipment with me. So we'll see how much I can get done tonight. If I have to push it out until tomorrow or the day after, then I'm gonna do that. But mommy is pooped, so let's go downstairs. Everything's clean, everything's prepped, and we're about to relax very soon. Let's go. We're almost at the finish line. Socks, undies, and gown. So socks, undies, pajamas, outfits. So I've officially packed the kids. Their things are all ready to go. Now all I need to do is pack my stuff. I'm thinking about packing much less for myself since I'm strongly thinking about doing a bit of shopping while I'm away because we have that trip coming up and I'm thinking about getting new stuff. I don't need any more dresses. I have so many dresses though, but this is different. That's what I tell myself. How about this? If I get more dresses, then I'll get rid of some. How about that? As you can hear, I'm a little hoarse. I'm gonna go take these things out of the machine. I have some towels drying downstairs, and then I'm really calling it. I keep trying to, and I actually was doing research for France and Italy. I did that for probably about an hour and a half, 2 hours. There's so many beautiful places that I want to check out while I'm over there. And I'm like, so many places, so little time. I looked at Provence, I looked at Nice, I looked at Monaco, I looked at Marseille, I'm looking at Portofino, and everything in between, really. Honestly, it's just so beautiful along the coast, and I haven't been to these parts of Italy. Actually, I've been to Portofino, but what was it? Positano. I've been to Positano. I don't think I've been to Portofino. I just know I need to figure something out quick. I put in a reservation for one spot, but of course, planning. I should show you guys. Tell me if you want to see the list. It looks bananas, but I'm trying to fit it all in. Anyway, let's go. Now the real test is to see how much this thing weighs. Let's see if I can stay out here. Wish me luck, cause all right. Moment of truth. I don't know what the weight requirements are for Spirit, but it's probably like 20 pounds, right? Here we go. What's that number? I can't see it from here. 50 pounds? 54 pounds? Wait a minute. Oh, not bad at all. 26. Ooh, not bad, Mom. It feels heavier than 25, but I guess not. I can lift it with one hand. Winning! Feeling like a major success. Do you see that? Did you see that? I have packed myself and the children. Now, we don't have a week's worth of clothing, but that's okay because I'm going to be staying with my sister. And I'm just going to wash a little more frequently. I did not have it in me this trip to pack a bunch of stuff. So I packed just enough, the essentials. My daughter's going to be celebrating her birthday there. So I packed her a cute little dress for the occasion. I might go buy myself a little dress and my son an outfit. I haven't decided. But we're all squared away. We got the essentials, the most important stuff. Undies, socks, PJs. Only thing I have left is my makeup and our toiletries, and I'll be all set. So I'm feeling really accomplished. There's nothing I need out of there right now, so that stuff can sit there, and this feels good. It's the first time in my life being packed early for a flight. If you gotten to this point and you enjoyed the video, please remember to subscribe, show some love, and I will see you soon. Bye.